This is an unboxing video of the Dyson DC34 handheld vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna see what's in the box. Well, let's try to open this carefully. Well, finally the box is open, and what we first see is a warning sign, very important: wash your filter at least every month based on individual vacuuming habits. So to keep everything fresh, it's a necessity. Well, we've got here the manual, how to work the DC34, and nothing much else in the box besides the vacuum cleaner itself. And this little thing, and the power adapter is here. And what do we have here? Another tool to put on the DC34, and I believe that is it. Well, let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner itself. Here it is, nice purple pink kind of style, and it's quite small. I thought it was bigger, but you can see with my hand it looks like a gun. Oh, and the power also is on, apparently. It makes quite a lot of noise, but it should provide to get more dust than my old vacuum cleaner from Brown. That was a terrible device, and I already own a Dyson vacuum cleaner, a big Dyson vacuum cleaner, and no hassle with the emptying of the dustbin. And my old vacuum cleaner had that, so it was a terrible thing. So I'm very glad I own a Dyson for several years now. And now this device came on the market for a couple of years, and it was also very expensive for, well, several years. But now I could purchase this for 159 euros, so that's still a lot for a handheld vacuum cleaner. But these things are very durable, so I hope to use this device for several years. So, and without the hassle of emptying this dustbin. Well, there it is, and you click it on, and you press this little button here, not that button. And there it goes. Well, a beautiful looking device, and I hope to enjoy this for many more years. Thank you for watching, and until next time.